वेलकम बैक फोक्स। इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन ट्रेडिंग, अगर आप स्ट्रगल करें तो ये वन सेशन मेंटोरशिप आप लोगों के लिए। ये स्क्रीन पे आपकी ईमेल है, आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते
Yo. What's up, folks? Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about ICT retracements. The first thing which I wanna make clear is everything is related to UTC minus 4, which is New York local time. हर चीज न्यूयॉर्क के local time के लिहाज से set है. For understanding ICT retracements, we have to understand the four steps. Four of them are: the first one is where we are coming from, have we took some liquidity or something else. The second step is we have to understand premium and discount. The third step is PD average. The fourth is fair value gaps, as every trader knows BCs and CPs. हमें ये अंदाज़ा लगाना है कि हम कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. वी आल्सो हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम प्रीमियम में हैं या डिस्काउंट में हैं. हमें पीडी एरेस का पता होना चाहिए और साथ ही साथ फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स का. So let's drop down on some example and watch it out. In this example, we have gold chart and this is the daily time frame. So for understanding where we can retrace and how we have to identify any sort of retracement. Firstly, folks, notice this is a swing low, this is also swing low. This all of this is back and forth price action, which I named personally as suffocated or sophisticated type of price action, in which you don't find any kind of fair value gaps. Are there any fair value gaps? Look closely. क्या यहाँ पे कोई fair value gap है? In this highlighted range, we don't have any single fair value gap onto the daily time frame. When you have that, and when the markets are at all-time high, or when you took some liquidity, when you are continuously moving up since the 14th February 2024, market was in parabolic run. So what you can expect, every single time market was coming down, it is buying, it is going up. Who is buying? Smart money. Who is accumulating their positions? Smart money. Not me, not our brokers, but the persons with huge funds, the entities with huge pockets of deep money. So when you have that type of scenario, you first have to understand this is all low resistance liquidity runs. What I just said, low resistance liquidity runs, which you can say low resistance liquidity runs, LR. This is the right pronunciation, low resistance liquidity runs. When you have that, जब आपके पास लो रेजिस्टेंस लिक्विडिटी रन होती है, द फर्स्ट थिंग विच योर माइंड नीड्स टू गो टू, whether you will be on a 1 minute time frame or whether you will be on a daily time frame, where are our inefficiencies. So for this we have to drop down to weekly time frame. Firstly, identify market moves from discount to premium and premium to discount. मार्केट हमेशा प्रीमियम से डिस्काउंट और डिस्काउंट से प्रीमियम में जाती है, ये आप सबको अंदाजा है. Where is the recent swing low which made the huge run up? This was the swing low probably. Extend that out in time. We were in extreme premium. Look, have any efficiency? Yes, we have an fair value gap. क्या हमारे पास कोई fair value gap था? Yes, ये पड़ा हुआ था. So what we have to do? We have to highlight that fair value gap. In this example, I'm just highlighting that. This is the fair value gap which I was interested in. ये fair value gap था जिसमें मैं interested हूँ या था. So now let's drop down to daily time frame and observe. Yes, we perfectly dig into the daily's weekly fair value gap and also onto the daily order block. If we are bullish and if we have narrative in play, every single down close candle need to act like a bullish order block. अगर हम बुलिश हैं और हमारे पास कोई नैरेटिव पड़ा हुआ है तो हर डाउन क्लोज कैंडल को एक्ट करना चाहिए लाइक अ बुलिश ऑर्डर ब्लॉक. सो मार्केट परफेक्टली इसमें रिट्रेस कर चुकी है. क्या अब उसके बाद हम एक्सपेक्ट क्या करेंगे? अब आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये था वेयर वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, हम कहाँ से आए हैं? हम एक प्रीमियम जगह से आए हैं. फिर हम अब डिस्काउंट में या प्रीमियम में, इस रेंज के रिलेटिवनेस के लिहाज से अब इस फिबोनाची को रिमूव करते हैं. पीडी एरेज हमारे पास कौन सी पड़ी हैं? अगर आप बीरिश हो तो हर ग्रीन कैंडल को एक्ट करना चाहिए लाइक अ बीरिश ऑर्डर ब्लॉक. If you are bearish, then every single green candle need to act like a bearish order block to spool price or send price lower. फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स। अब आपको ये अंदाजा है कि हमने लिक्विडिटी तो नहीं दी। देखें इस स्विंग लोज के नीचे क्या लिक्विडिटी, सो व्हाट वी टुक लिक्विडिटी आउट। व्हाट वी डिड, वी टुक लिक्विडिटी। कौन सी लिक्विडिटी ली है जनाब, हमने सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी ली है। वी टुक सेल स्टॉप्स, सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी। so what we can say that we took some sort of liquidity right there. so what we can expect, क्या हमारे पास डेली पे कोई फेयर वैल्यू गैप है? yes we have that. so हम क्या कह सकते हैं, we can expect some sort of retracement into this fair value gap and then we'll continue lower or go anyways. हम इस फेयर वैल्यू गैप में मार्केट के आने का वेट करेंगे। अगर ये 1 मिनट पे भी फ्रैक्टल हो तो हम उसमें भी ये इसी चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, चाहे ये 1 मंथ पे हो, वीकली पे हो, डेली पे हो। यहाँ पे हमारे पास डेली पे मार्केट नीड टू कम इनटू दैट फेयर वैल्यू गैप, देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिजेक्शन टू गो देयर लोअर. So that's how you understand retracement. That's how you can expect when market gonna retrace. And this fractal is applicable on every single time frame. After taking liquidity and have fair value gap, there are high probabilities that market can gravitate to that fair value gap. I hope you have learned something new in this lecture, in this teaching. Please make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel and thumbs up the video or stream whichever you're watching, and also explore the different part of videos. If you are English viewers and you love watching English content of trading, then you must have to watch this playlist which named as ICT Advanced Concepts English. And if you are Urdu observer, if you are Urdu speaker, अगर आप उर्दू बोलते हैं हिंदी बोलते हैं, you can watch that video which you are watching and also other videos in other playlist. Thank you very much for your time. Until next time, be safe.